Hi friends! Welcome back to Wild Apple Studio, where you'll find simple and cute things to make. Today, we're going to make Cloud the Puppy Doll from the Pocket Babies collection. In this project, I'll show you how to make Cloud in two ways, standing up on two legs and on all fours. This project is super beginner friendly, so let's get started. Here's what you'll need: a fluffy chenille stem, safety eyes and nose, a cute costume set, glue, needle tool, and scissors. That's it. Simple, right? Let's start with Cloud's head. Take the chenille stem and straighten it out. Align the open ends and form a loop on the other side. With your right hand, put 2 fingers in the loop, and with your left hand, twist the bottom stems twice. Now change hands so your left is holding the loop. Then put the stem ends through the hole and gently pull, leaving a bit left for the ears. Make sure the loop is facing up. Gently pull the ears apart and fold it down for her floppy ears. Twist each ear twice to fix its shape. Put your right thumb through the loop and take the left stem. Bring it across the front and around the back, then to the front again between the ears. Got it? Perfect! Now put the stem through the loop and gently pull all the way. Repeat on the other side, this time taking the right stem across the front towards the left, around the back, and back to the front, and in the loop it goes. Moving on to the body. Hold the head with your left hand while twisting the lower stems twice with your right. Then bend the right stem to make the arm, and it should be about 2 fingers in length. Repeat on the other side. Then twist both arms twice. Make the legs by folding the bottom 2 stems upwards and across the body. You should now have an X shape like this. Flip it over and bend the remaining bits downwards and around the neck. Then flip back to the front. Fix the shape until you're happy with it. Time for the finishing touches. Let's give our pup a haircut to bring out her curves. Look at that! Our dog is already taking shape. Using a needle tool or any sharp object you have at home, poke holes where you'd like to position her eyes and nose. This is just for testing it out. I usually place my eyes and nose in the lower half of the face because I think it looks cuter that way. Once you're happy with how she looks, dab a little bit of glue to fix them into place. To make Cloud stand on all fours, fold the arms and the legs forward. And then bend her head up. How cute is she? You can also dress her up in this costume set, which is included in the Pocket Babies kit. There you have it, your very own fluffy Cloud pup. Wasn't that fun and easy? I hope you enjoyed making this cute little friend as much as I did. Don't forget to share your creations with me. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple projects like this. Thank you and happy making!